This is the best video you can get on liquid soap production. So if you want to do it for the house or you want to do and sell, yeah, stick and stay. We are going to talk about acquisition of the raw materials, where to get the raw materials at affordable prices. Then we'll do detailed tutorial on how to do it. Yes. Then we'll also talk about packaging, how to package it nicely, and then we'll go into the books, the cost, the profit, and how to price it so you can get good market or the money you be saving if you do it yourself for the house. So yeah, stick and stay and let's get into the video. So these are the materials you are going to need. You are going to need salt, you are going to need base, thickener liquid, thickener powder, booster liquid, booster powder, and preservative. That's what will prevent it from going bad. Then this is our perfume. And then the last one is color, any color of your choice. So they sell this as a set. When you go, you tell them you want the liquid soap set, they'll give you everything here. You just come home and do it. The booster powder looks like rice. Yes, so if anything at all, just remember it looks like rice. I went ahead to soak the booster powder in water because it's quite difficult to dissolve. And I also soaked my salt in water so that when I start, it wouldn't be difficult and I wouldn't have to stay for a long time. So I left this to sit overnight, and the next day, this is how it looks like. The salt and the booster has dissolved completely. I went ahead to add the rest of the materials, everything left into the bowl. So this is the base. The first one goes inside the bowl, and then the rest of the materials I just added. It has no particular order. Just add them together. You stir and add your salt, your salty water, and then the booster. Add more water and you're good to go. That's all about the liquid soup. So just observe. So where to get the materials? If you are in Accra, you can get it from Kaneshi, and I think I also get it from Nungwa. Yeah, that's the two places I know. For Kaneshi, the whole set was going for 120 cities. And then for Nungwa, I don't know the price here. And then for the bottles, I got it from Kani M Industries. I don't know if I'm mentioning it well. They are in North Kaneshi. So I added my my salty water, and the last water I just added was the booster we dissolved inside the water. This is clear water, but then it's a bit soapy because I use the booster container. The container we dissolved the booster inside. Yeah, that's what I used to fetch. That's why you see foam on top of it. And you realize that the more you add water, the more thicker it becomes. So you add water to your preferred consistency, and that is it. Back to the packaging. So yeah, Kaniem KANE-EM Industries. You can Google them and then you get direction to their place. They are at North Kaneshi. Is it not Kaneshi? Not Kaneshi Industrial Area. I think so. Yeah. They do wholesale of bottles. Any bottle at all you're looking for, you get it there. Yeah, any bottle at affordable prices. This like 64 pesos for one. So let's say one CD for one. Yeah. And liquid soap in the market now is like um here I realized the bowl I was using was small, so I transferred it into a bigger bowl and added more water. The target was to do 14 liters. Yeah, but some do as much as 18, others do 25 liters for one set of the liquid soup. But I wanted to do 14 liters because I didn't want my liquid soap to be watery. The last one I'm dissolving is the color. I opted for orange color. And so you dissolve it in water and then you add the dissolved colored water to your mixture slowly and gently once you are still stirring. Yeah. So like I was saying, you can get any bottle of your choice from there, any design, any size, any shape. This is one. Mine was 1 liter bottle, and it was 64 pesos. Can you imagine? But if you had to buy it one, so they sell it in 50s. So you have to buy 50 pieces or more. Yeah. This is the last one we are adding. That's the perfume or the fragrance. The fragrance I went in for raspberry and lavender. It smells so nice. So nice. So after adding the perfume, you stir till all the foam leaves the surface of the liquid soup. Then you set it aside so it can become clear the next day. These are my bottles. You realize it is really nice, right? So these are my bottles. This is the liquid soap now. You can see the color has become more clearer, and see how nice it looks. Can you see it in the bottle? See how nice it looks. So I went ahead to do my packaging, and this is nice. You just need the label, and my dear, you're good to go. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and let's go into the books. I don't want the video to be too long, so you can pause it and look through. I'm estimating one to be 40 CDs, and I got 14 pieces. In our next video, we'll be talking about fabric softener, detailed tutorial on how to do it, getting the raw materials, packaging. You know how we do it. So yeah, stick and stay, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of the amazing tutorials we'll be doing here. Bye.